It was good YouTube. This is your boy Sabine. I'm back again with another video. It's a Monday. I'm probably uploading this on a Sunday. It's a Monday. I want to go to the Val and fix my car and see what I can get done, because the guys who did the wiring, the car's no more starting now. They're telling us the distributor, so they say they'll bring a new distributor. They have a new distributor. I prefer buying parts myself, but if they say they have it, then I can just work with that. I'm not. So I wanna put this Garfield here. Ngawuyifaki la. Yingomo. Hayi labe hleli khona u-L. Ish. The black what? Yeah, isengara. Uzovula ngapha. Uzovula. Oh. Hey. Phambi sobruku buka. Push. Aish. Should we put it here or here or here? Comment down. We wish we should. Here's a fumble and my side motion clip. So we're just going to patch those tires because these tires are flat. Clearly they have a problem. I'd like to thank everyone who's been commenting, liking and subscribing. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you for commenting and subscribing. The mechanic got here before we patched the tires, so we had to just wait and see if he gets the car started up or what.
Nah. Makangan, whoa. Before. Yeah. Yawazi namhlanje ngiphatha ngane Skia. All right. Wa bona plaka tseo di a tshwana.
Yeah, I changed the Baba so. While he's cranking the car for the 100th time today, we decided to put in the new lights, the new C4, C6 lights.
I think important di plaka.
Plug.
Then na ilok. Yabo.
If you remember properly, my starter had a problem. It used to just slip every time, almost every time. It used to just slip, so I just fixed the starter. Then I decided I'll buy a new starter after saving up for a new starter. For now, let me just fix the starter for temporarily use.